Hey guys, it's Key and it's Key Life Trading. Thanks for tuning into another video. I want to wish you guys a happy Monday. And as you can hear, I'm sounding a little bit congested. I'm a little bit under the weather, but it is what it is. We're going to keep moving. The market don't stop, so we don't stop. So remember guys, please like and subscribe to my channel. It'll do me so much justice. Please, if you're liking the content, smash that like button, smash that subscribe button. So right now it is, let's see what time it is. It is 9:49. I'm a little bit late, but it is what it is. The market is still on. So I'm just going to look for some stocks as we are tuned in. So let's jump in. So here's my trading screen right now. I'm looking at my go-to. This is my go-to stock. Was an ETF, my go-to. Let's see if we can find something. Matter of fact, if I find something, then I'll tune back in. I don't want to stretch this video out any long or too long. So once I find something or setup, I will tune back in and press record and we'll jump in together. So catch you on the flip. So guys, I'm back. I'm looking at this play. It's overextended. It's a tricky one. It looks like it wants to halt, but I'm not sure. I'm trying to see. Maybe I might take a quick scalp off this one. I'm not sure, but I'll have to keep my stop very tight. Look at it ripping. These are the ones that you jump in and then it just automatically flip on you quick. Let's take a shot.
Order fill.
Let's take a quick shot. It have a low float. It can squeeze a lot of people out, but let's see. Let's see. Got to keep my stop tight. Let's see. This is like a quick scalp trade. Not trying to stay too long. Overstay my welcome. And let's see if we can get a squeeze. Look like it's struggling. This is very hot right now. And you got to be careful. It can flip. Can squeeze. Let's see if we get that squeeze. Let's see. Let's go. Look like it's gonna squeeze. What you're seeing is other FOMO people trying to jump in while they can. Look at that.
Order
take
fill.
profit. Easy. $700 in what? A couple seconds? Matter of fact, not even a couple seconds. A couple minutes. Guys, this is not hard. It's very easy. Like I said, it could have flipped on me, but I would have to keep my stop very tight. And as you can see, it looked like it's trying to halt, and it halted. We're going to watch it for a little bit. We're going to see. Matter of fact, we're not going to watch. We're going to continue watching it, but I'm going to wait till it start over, and you're going to see the strength of what the market can do when you're on the right side. Look at it. It's just green candles going up, 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 and having a pull back. And when let's just see. I'm gonna tune back in when everything resumes. So when it halts, it's halting for like probably like 5 minutes. We'll see, and then we'll tune back in. Guys, we resume trade from that halt. It's continuing to go up. Let's see how long it can continue. Might continue for a little bit more. As you can see, it dipped a little bit and now it's continuing to squeeze. And as you can see, a lot of people that missed out are probably trying to actually capitalize, but it's still risky because this one been going up for the whole time. It's been going on since it opened, actually, I think. Let me see. Actually, no. It started making moves around 9:50, and right now it is 10:30. So let's see. And this one, these are the type of stocks that can flip on you snap of a finger. So you have to be careful. But it is running on news, so there is a potential for it to run a little bit, but news lasts but for so long, you know. So Let's see. Let's keep watching it. I do not have any position. I only locked in that 720, and that's it for the day. I'm not trading anything else. That's it. I took my profit, and I'm just gonna walk away. I'm just doing this for entertainment purposes, so you guys can see what happened next. It might flush. It's trying to flush. And you do not want to be on the other side of this. If you're going long, I know a lot of people just got tricked into go in, and they're burning right now in terms of look at that flush. And that's basically it. I think this is basically over. I don't think this is, yeah, it's not going back. So if you was tricked into go into this or jump into this for some profit, you basically, I don't know. But lucky thing, I was on the right side, and I'm grateful. But guys, like I said, this is not hard. It's very easy. All you gotta do is practice, study. If you like the content, please guys, like, subscribe. I will be doing a lot more of this going forward. So today's Monday. It's a good way to start off the Monday. $720. Tomorrow we'll be locking in, and hopefully you guys are there to join. So thanks for tuning in. It's Key Life Trading, and I'm out.